All. Myself, Sadhana Kekan. I am working as assistant professor in PES Modern College of Engineering. So, today we will discuss the topic. The topic name is design engineering, which is included in software engineering subject. So, design engineering is unit 3 in software engineering subject. So, let us discuss the design engineering is what exactly the design phase of software development deals with transforming the customer requirements, which is described in the SRS documents, into a form of implementable using a programming language. So basically, software design is a mechanism which is used to transfer user requirements into some suitable form and which helps the programmers to do software encoding and implementation. So it deals with representing the client's requirement as described in the software requirement specification document into a form that is the easily implemented using programming languages. So the next is in software design process can be divided into the three levels of phases of design. First one is the interface design, second one is architectural design, and third one is detail design. So we'll explain this point one by one. Before that, we'll discuss what is the objective of software design. So there are basically the six objectives we can implement by we can follow at the time of design any software. So first one is the correctness, second completeness, third efficiency, fourth one is flexibility, fifth one is consistency, and sixth one is maintainability. So what exactly the correctness which is necessary while designing any software? So correctness, it means software design should be correct as per the requirement given for the software design. Second one is completeness. It means the design should have all components like data structures, modules and external interfaces which is required at the time of any software design. Third is efficiency. Efficiency means resources should be used efficiently by the program. Fourth is flexibility. Your software should be able to modify on changing any needs. Fifth one is consistency. So consistency means there should not be any inconsistency or at the time of design of any software. And the last and sixth one is the maintainability. So the design should be so simple so that it can be easily maintainable by other designers. So these are the six objectives which is important while design any software. Now the next point is the quality attributes which is required or important at the time of design any software. So it can be defined as follows. That is the first is a functionality, usability, reliability, performance, and scalability, supportability. So what exactly means functionality? So functionality means it evaluates the feature set and capabilities of the program. Second is usability. It means it is accessed by considering the factors such as human factors or overall aesthetics, consistency and documentation also. Then reliability, it means it is evaluated by measuring parameters like frequency and security of failures, output result accuracy, then mean time to failure, that is MTTF, then recovery from failures and the program predictability. So this is all under the reliability part. Now the next attribute is a performance. So it is measured by considering processing speed, response time, resource consumptions, throughput and efficiency. And the last is supportability. It means it combines the ability to extend the program, adaptability and serviceability. These three terms defines the maintainability of your software. So the next is the important point, that is the design principles. So there are 10 design principles which is important at the time of design any software. So we'll start one by one to explain what exactly that design principles include. So first is it should not suffer from tunnel vision. So what is the meaning of that? Which means that it should not only focus on completing or achieving the aim but on other effects also. Second is traceable to analysis model. So which means it should satisfy all the requirements that software require to develop a high quality product. Now the third principle is the software should not reinvent the wheel. That means it should not waste time or efforts in creating things that already exist. Due to this, the overall development will get increased. Now the fourth is minimize intellectual distance. It means the design process should reduce the gap between the real world problem and software solutions. For that problem, meaning it should simply minimize the intellectual distance. Now the fifth is exhibit uniformity and integrations. So it means the design should display uniformity, which means it should be uniform throughout the process without any changes. Integration means it should mix or combine all parts of software that is subsystem into one system. Now the sixth point is accommodate changes. It means the software should be designed in such a way that it accommodates the changes, implying that the software should adjust to the change that is required to be done as per the user's need. And the seventh one is the degrade gently. It means the software should be designed in such a way that it degrades gracefully, which means it should work properly even if an error occurs during the execution. Now the eighth is assessed or quality. It means the design should be assessed or evaluated for the quality, meaning that during the evaluation the quality of the design need to be checked and focused on. Ninth is review to discover errors. It means the design should be reviewed, which means that the overall evaluation should be done to check if there is any error present or if it can be minimized. And the last is the design is not coding and coding is not design. It means the design means describing the logic of the program to solve any problem, and coding is a type of language that is used for implementation of design. So these are the total 10 principles we have to consider at the time of design of any software. So these are the basics of design engineering of any software. Thank you.